Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and KB5030310. Install, then your Copilot is not showing. So how to fix, guys? I show you different. So firstly guys, click to start button, type control panel, uninstall latest update, view by category, select and uninstall program, uninstall. So uninstall latest, last in KB series to uninstall, okay, and then close. Do not restart. Okay. Next, solutions. Have any pending update to install proper? Okay, click to start button, then click to setting, update, and APKB series to pending. So firstly install and update and then restart and then check it again. Okay, this is second solutions. One more thing guys, what country reason and you capital only limit access. This is the print for the announcements. Okay, so Copilot in Windows will start release preview, select global market and part of or last Windows 11. So Intel market of the Copilot is Windows preview include the North America part, Asia, South America, and it is or national to add additional market all over time. Okay,